Okay, this is a multimeter that I bought from China, from Starhead production company. This is Unity ut204 model. My problem here is the clamp meter is not working. It's not reading at all. So let's try. Okay, let's put in to AC. Okay, now it's on AC mode. Okay, let's try to read the wire. It's supposed to be 230 volts. Let's see if we can read. See, the clamp is not reading at all, but if I use the probe test, it's working. So let's try. Okay, it's right there. As you can see, it's reading 230 volts. So it works only on probe tests, but on the clamp it's not reading at all. So the clamp is not working at all. I hope Starhead production company can solve this problem. Thank you for watching.